Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition. Begin by opening Play Store on Motorola and App Gallery on Huawei. Then download free app called Send Anywhere on both. And when it's ready, launch it. Now to use Send Anywhere, you need to set it up. Let's start with Huawei. Tap on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. On Motorola though, you need to select I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your Motorola screen and select Send at the bottom left corner of it if it's not already on. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Huawei. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you want to scan this, if you wish to input this key instead of scanning this QR code, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers before they expire. Then hit Receive and wait. If you see this kind of pop-up, tap on wherever you want to and then close it. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!